Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also if you are yet to follow the Telegram channel, make sure you do also follow the Telegram channel. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section, so follow to stay updated. Now let's start with our full overall trend on AUD USD. We clearly can see that here we were in an uptrend move. Right now we are in a downtrend move. Now, if you take a look at this movement here, this is our low. Here comes the lower high. This is the lower low. It gave us a lower high also. Here is the lower low. This is our lower high, but within this lower high, market is ranging in this level. So anytime soon, market will drop again to give us a lower low. So this is for swing traders, by the way. Swing traders, you would want to open for the sell now on AUD USD. That is what you should be aiming for. But for day traders, you would want to go to your forward time frame and see what market is currently doing. As you can see here, we are currently ranging within this level. So this is here. This is our support level. And I'll see this to be the mini support level. So once market draws to tap our support, we tend to see it come up back to tap our resistance, right? Then once it taps the resistance, it draws back to our support. Then come here to tap our resistance and our resistance level. Then we can now see that market rejected from here multiple times, which is our mini support. Now market is currently at this resistance. What next do you expect? Of course, you should be expecting a sell again to the downside on AUD USD. So for day traders, you will want to look for your sell setup to enter for the sell for the day. And if you are yet to follow the Telegram channel, follow to stay updated. I'll put a link in the comment.